I'm Alexandra Cousteau. Like my grandfather, Jacques Cousteau, I've dedicated my life to protecting the world's oceans. The oceans have always been a part of my life, ever since I was a baby. I went on my first expedition when I was 3 months old, and I started my first swim lessons shortly thereafter. I could swim before I could walk. And my grandfather taught me to scuba dive when I was 7. And that moment for me was really a turning point. I had always understood that my family was working to protect the oceans, but that day it really came home for me. There's so many reasons to want to protect the ocean, not the least of which is they bring us joy and an opportunity to explore and discover new ecosystems, new places, new experiences. Oceana is working in countries around the world to pass, implement, and enforce science-based fisheries management policies. We've done it time and time and time and time again. And that is really good news.